Guys, it's not even 25th of December, it's not even Christmas Day, it's just the 13th of December, but guess what? We now have the 9.00 complete jailbreak that is now officially released, and I'm not even kidding you, it's just been released a few minutes ago, guys. I am super excited to go ahead and share this news with you guys because I know a lot of you guys have been waiting. Everyone about the 7.55 firmware, this is amazing news for you guys. If you're on 9.00, the jailbreak is actually out, guys. Now, this is just a release video. I'm just going to talk about the release, but I'll be posting a video shortly after this. Once it has been released on the jailbreakable host, then I'm going to go ahead and make a complete upgrade and jailbreak tutorial. So hold on until then, guys. For right now, the news is 9.00 is up and is by Spector, is mentioned by Spector. Great thanks to Znullptr for his fast work, a great exploit, and SG for the Webkit. Now, going back a few hours ago, guys, Spector did post this video showing a proof of concept. If you look over here, there was a video that just showed up. Hey, awesome work by Znullptr and Znullptr. I don't know how to pronounce that, but if you notice here, there was a small cut in the video, so a lot of people had their doubts. They kept saying, hey, maybe it's fake. There was a jump cut in that thing. A lot of people found that a little fake, but oh my god, it is absolutely real, coming from really reliable sources like Spector, who we can absolutely trust. Now, not just that, it is actually out now. It's released. If you look over here, Znullptr did create a GitHub page and he posted the jailbreak out open. So we are waiting for this to be implemented on a jailbreakable host so that we can actually go and try it out. So guys, we are here. It is done. It's over. We have the exploit. We have the Webkit exploit thanks to SG and thanks to these guys, including Spector and Znullptr and Znullptr. We can go ahead and exploit 9.00 today. So guys, we just have to wait for a few more, maybe an hour or two before everyone starts implementing this on their host, and then we can go ahead and get it done. And I'll be dropping the video just when it comes out. But guys, here's the best part. Here is the best part that I absolutely love. Check this out, guys. So here we have, is it stable or giving a lot of kernel panics? Because we know how much you've been suffering on the 7.55 jailbreak, and it has been immense with the unstable Webkit exploit as well as the unstable kernel exploit. But guys, check this out. Znullptr wrote an excellent exploit here. It's near the stability of 5.05. Now, that is absolutely amazing. It takes a bit more effort than previous exploits to do, but it's not a big problem because it's so stable. Now, that is just honey to the ears. I know we guys have been having a really tough time with all the other exploits in the 7.xx firmwares, but now guys, we have a more stable 9.00 exploit that's out, and we're gonna go and check this out in detail. So as I mentioned, this is just a quick release video. I'm super excited. I'm just gonna wait for it to be dropped out, and once it's been implemented, I'll be making a video shortly. Let me know how excited you guys are. If you aren't already subscribed, go ahead and drop subscribe, hit the bell notification, because when I post the video, you'll be knowing it right then and there. Alright guys, so that's about it for this quick video. I will see you soon on a jailbreakable PS4 which is running 9.00, and we are gonna enjoy that firmware, guys. Alright, I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye bye.